Today I have something that's going to change the way you think about AI image generators. Everyone pays for Midjourney, but 4 free tools quietly got so good, you might not need it anymore. I tested all of them, and number 3 genuinely surprised me. I'll show you what each one's best at, and exactly how many free images you get. All the links are in the description. And stick around for number 4. It does the one thing Midjourney still can't. Let's get started. First up, Leonardo AI, the one I'd hand to anyone leaving Midjourney. It feels like a proper creative studio. Fine-tuned models for different styles, real control over your image, and around 100 free credits every single day that refresh automatically. Here's why it matters. Most free tools give you one image and slap a watermark on it. Leonardo gives you multiple high-res generations, a built-in editor to fix what you don't like, and, here's the thing, no watermark on the free tier. The results are genuinely worth it. Best for anyone who wants Midjourney-level quality with full control. Next, Ideogram. And this one solves the most annoying problem in AI images: text. Every other generator turns words into gibberish. Ideogram spells things correctly every time. Logos, posters, thumbnails, quote graphics. The free plan gives you a daily batch of credits, enough to make a real set of graphics. If you've ever paid a designer just to put readable words on an image, this replaces that entirely. For anyone making content, the text accuracy alone is a game changer. Best for anything with text: social posts, thumbnails, ads, logos. Number 3, Adobe Firefly. And honestly, this is the one that surprised me. I didn't expect a free Adobe tool to hand you commercially safe images and generative fill without paying a cent. Here's what makes it special. It's trained on licensed content, so the images are commercially safe to use. For anyone making content for a business or a client, that's huge. You're not gambling on where the image came from. The free plan gives you a set of generations every day, plus generative fill. You paint over part of an image, tell it what to change, and it does. It's not unlimited, but for everyday creating, it's plenty. Generative fill is one of those features you don't realize you need until you have it. Best for creators and small businesses who need commercially safe images. And number 4, the one I told you to wait for. This is image generation built right into the AI you're already talking to, Google's Gemini, and DALL-E inside ChatGPT. Both are free with a daily limit, a handful of images a day. But here's what beats Midjourney. You don't write a perfect prompt, you just have a conversation. Say anything, and it edits the image like you're talking to a designer. No re-rolling, no prompt engineering. That conversational editing is the thing Midjourney still can't do. Best for beginners and anyone who hates fighting with prompts. Easiest one on the list. And that's it. 4 free AI image generators that go head-to-head with Midjourney. Leonardo for full control and around 100 free credits a day. Ideogram for perfect text. Firefly for commercially safe images. And Gemini or DALL-E for the easiest conversational editing. All free, all linked below. Got a free tool that should have made this list? Let me know in the comments. And before you go, check out the next video. 5 free AI tools for content creation. It's packed with even more ways to save time and money. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more tips, tools, and tech discoveries. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep creating.